Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download or install. Once it's done downloading and installing, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you're going to be required to pass the first phase of a tournament. After passing the first phase, it's going to take you right into this home screen, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience in Clash Royale. So now let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to change language in Clash Royale. From this home screen, kindly head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Select the three horizontal lines. Here you have battle log, leaderboards, TV Royale, training camp, tournament settings, and Supercell ID. Go ahead and click on settings. So now that we're in the settings window, you have audio, you have language, you have change name, more settings, you have help and support, you have privacy, parents guide, terms of service, IP tokens, and credit. So head over to where you have language. Just right on the language you see English, so it means my language has been set to English as default. So go ahead and click on that English, and you have a couple of language options that you can choose from. You can see what the first one is like, and you see all this one, this francés, this Dutch, this Espanol, this Italiano, you have Netherlands. And so scroll all the way down and you're gonna find this option. So I don't know how many they are, but this is the first, and scroll down, this is the last. So you can select any of these languages of your choice. After selecting any of these languages of your choice, you'll see that your account is going to be reset to the language that you changed it to. So you can also exploring your gaming experience with the new language that you have set it to. This pretty much I can change the language in Clash Royale. And I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.